Hi. So I am a client of the Mattis Law Firm. And honestly, I cannot say enough wonderful things about Miss Mattis. I am a person with disabilities, so sometimes, like today, I speak fine, other times I do not. I don't always comprehend things well. But Miss Mattis was so caring and thoughtful and took the time to make sure that I did understand things fully. Um, she went out of her way to help me with my will, the situation at hand, and advised me the best of her abilities on other situations I had going on in my life. Um, a lot of issues with me is comprehension. So again, I cannot say enough about her and her staff, how they went out of the way to make sure that I was comprehending what I was doing. That and if I didn't, to explain it better to me. There was issues where I had to put off my will signing due to my PTSD and stuff at a very short notice. And again, her and her office was very understanding. One thing that I did stand out that did stand out to me about her was, well, actually, more than one thing, was how she made me feel truly like family. Like, this was just my best friend that I could go out for a drink with or talk to about anything. I'm not a very trusting person, and I'm not very comfortable, especially with things I don't understand. And she not only made me feel comfortable, made me understand it, she made me feel like family and made sure that even after my will signing was done, after that I was part of the Mattis Law Firm family, that I could call her with any questions regarding my will or something else. And honestly, this past week, I did call her to ask her a question about another matter going on in my life. Um, Also, she got wind of the fact that I was a little under the weather. I'm currently probably look like crap because I'm getting over a severe case of bronchitis. But all of a sudden in the mail last week, I got a personalized card from her. Wishing me to get well. Again, one of the many ways her and her firm go out of the way to make you feel like family. What I needed to ask her most recently had nothing to do with my will, but literally within an hour of me calling that office, were they calling me back with a response, even though she couldn't drop everything and pick up the phone. She made sure, I had my answer to the best that she could and let me know, that she was busy and if I needed to, could speak to her still when she had time. I recently actually just gave their phone number and name out to one of my very, very best friends, who's currently trying to get a will situated for her father. But anybody, I would refer the Mattis Law Firm to. I was in a car accident that caused my disabilities, and let me tell you this: my lawyer for the car accident, I didn't know Miss Mattis at the time, would not fight for my rights with my car insurance people that were cutting me off from the doctors that I needed. They left that up to me to do. I was recovering from brain injuries and neck injuries, and they left that up for me to do instead of fighting for my rights. Where this very kind woman right there is all ready to help me understand my rights, even in a matter that I didn't pay her for, that had nothing to do with the will she helped me with. She is truly, truly a caring person. She was recommended to me by another person who I consider family. And, it was a situation I needed to understand better about my child's future. God forbid something happened to me. Things to do with custody, etc. Point being, she not only advised me and helped me with the will, she advised me in other aspects of my life and made me aware of what was going on that I was not aware of. She took her time out. We must have been on the phone for over an hour the first time I spoke to her, because she was just, besides helping me with what she needed to help me with per my will, she was going out of her way to help me in other ways and to make sure that I understood everything that was going on. And most of all, to make sure I knew that even after the will was said and done, I could call her with anything. And she was right. She pretty much, she didn't drop what she was doing the other day to call me back, but I called with a question and I had an answer back within an hour. And I can't say enough good things about her. I would highly recommend her to anybody. I truly feel that I am in the best hands with the Mattis Law Firm, and that I know the future of my son is taken care of, and I can sleep at night with no worry, because I know I had the best woman on the job. I would highly recommend them. Thank you so much. Have a great day.